Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the desktop window manager dwm consuming high memory or CPU usage on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. This issue can significantly impact your PC's performance, hogging memory and CPU resources, and disrupting your experience while running applications or gaming. I'll walk you through 5 effective methods to resolve this problem, and I'm confident one of these will get your PC back to optimal performance. Let's dive right in. The first step is to restart Windows Explorer to refresh your system. Start by opening the Task Manager. If Windows Explorer isn't listed, open any folder, minimize it, and find it under Windows Explorer in Task Manager. Right-click on it and select Restart X. After restarting, check if the memory and CPU usage for Desktop Window Manager have decreased. If the issue persists, proceed to the next method. High memory or CPU usage by Desktop Window Manager can often be linked to outdated or faulty graphics drivers. To update your driver, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type dwm exe and click OK. In Device Manager, navigate to Display Adapters, locate your graphics card, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, right-click and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to check for updates. If updates are available, install them. If your driver is already up to date, move on to the next method. Incorrect registry settings can lead to high memory usage. To address this issue, press Windows plus R, type regedit, and click OK to open the registry editor. Navigate to the path HKEY_local_machine system control. Set 001 services NDU. Locate the key name Start. Double-click it, and change its value from 2 to 4. Click OK to save the changes. Next, adjust another registry setting. Navigate to HKEY_local_machine system, CurrentControlSet Control Session Manager Memory Management. Find the key clear page file at shutdown, double-click it, and change its value from 0 to 1. Click OK to confirm. Once done, close the registry editor and move on to the next method. The Windows Management Instrumentation (WMI) service may also contribute to high memory or CPU usage. To disable it, press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and click OK. In the Services window, scroll down to find Windows Management Instrumentation, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Disabled, then click Apply, and finally, OK to save the changes. Screensavers can sometimes be the cause of excessive memory or CPU usage by Desktop Window Manager. To disable the screensaver, open Settings, go to Personalization, and click on Lock Screen. Scroll down and select Screensaver Settings. In the Screensaver drop-down menu, choose None, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.